Alright, here we go. Another recap. We did 8 boxes of an 8-box case of the new Certified Basketball. And again, look in the info box over here and you'll see the list of teams and corresponding owners of those teams. For the Bucks, we got a Jody Meeks jersey auto number to 50, blue variation. Also for the Kings, we hit a Tyreke Evans redemption card number 174. Here's a Tyreke Evans jersey auto. The Bulls, Taj Gibson jersey auto number to 399. Nuggets, Nene jersey to 25, blue version number to 25. Spurs got a very nice DeJuan Blair 3-color patch auto number to 10, 6 of 10. You get a close up of that patch in there, pretty sick. Another patch auto rookie for the Suns, 2 colors, number to 25 of Earl Clark. A little orange in the corner, some stitching. Gold. Jazz did very well. Go Mehmet Okur jersey. I believe that's numbered to like 250 or something. Yeah. Then a Darren Williams, excuse me, numbered 3 of 5 patch, 1-color patch, number to 5. This nice Andrei Kirilenko 3 of 10 patch. Team name, pretty sick. 4 different colors going across. Very nice. And then a Carlos Boozer gold autograph, number 19 of 25. Timberwolves ended up hitting 2 patch cards. Al Jefferson, 2-color, number to 25. And a triple patch, 3-color, 3-color, 1-color of Kevin Love, number to 25. Those. Pistons got a couple hits. Ben Gordon jersey, number to 250. And a triple jersey of Isaiah Thomas, 3 different colors, pretty cool, number to 50. 76ers got an Andre Iguodala jersey to 250. Grizzlies hit an ljmaya jersey number to 100. And a triple jersey of Damari Carroll number to 50. Alright, Clippers. We got the Chris Kaman number to 99 jersey card, and a Blake Griffin jersey auto to 399. Mavericks, we got a Sean Marion number to 99, little 0 jersey right there. And this one's pretty cool. I like this. Jason Kidd and Josh Howard. It's like a front and back dual jersey card. Kidd on the front with the jersey, Josh Howard on the back. One's numbered to 99 also. Rockets, Shane Battier, blue jersey number to 50. A lot of glare there. There you go. Luis Scola to 250. And a Yao Ming to 99. We got a Peja Stojakovic 2-color jersey to 100. The Hornets, a little purple in the corner there. And a Chris Paul number to 250 jersey. The last 3 hits were for the Knicks. Nate Robinson number to 250 jersey. And 2 Jordan Hill rookie jersey autos from Jordan Hill. There will be a random following this for teams removed. Cavs hit a triple jersey of Zydrunas Ilgauskas number to 50. There was a Terrence Williams number to 100 jersey auto for the Nets, and a Brandon Roy jersey card number to 50 for the Blazers. So those 3 cards will be randomed off to teams without hits right now. Thanks for watching. Alright, here we go. Here's the random for the teams without hits in the Certified Basketball 8-box case. We had 9 hitless teams: Thunder, Hawks, Bobcats, Warrior, Heat, Pacers, Raptors, Lakers, and Celtics. There's the 3 hits: Ilgauskas, Terrence Williams, and Brandon Roy, along with 6 X's. So here we go. Hit it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You got Hawks on top and Heat on bottom. And the hits: 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, and 5 are winners. So here we go. So we got the Hawks get the Brandon Roy jersey, the Lakers get the Terrence Williams auto, and the Celtics get the Zydrunas Ilgauskas jersey. Thanks for watching.